Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S26, and today I'll be showing you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a cable and plug it into your computer. Unfortunately, we need that to boot our phones into recovery mode, at least on Samsung. So I have one ready right here. Now on your phone, swipe down from the top right side of the screen and then click on the power button right over here and select power off. Give it a moment, the device will turn off, and once it does, we're gonna hold, I believe it was volume up, I think. I'm gonna see in a second. So power button, volume up. Now you want to plug it in, and then immediately when you plug it in, start holding these two buttons. So plug and hold. Now I'm going to let go of the power button when the Galaxy logo shows up, and there we go. We have our recovery mode. Now this is, wow, Samsung taking control over your phones much? Jesus. So one of the things that you'll notice is that this recovery mode is absolutely piss poor, and the reason for that is Samsung wants to remove any kind of potential ability of you to be able to get rid of them and get rid of the One UI and install something maybe like Graphene OS. So this is something that they basically did now. So in here we have reboot, wipe data, or power off, and you will navigate through these options using volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So I'm going to select reboot system now so I can leave this absolute piss poor excuse of a recovery mode. It's power button, and this will bring me back to Android. Jesus, that is disappointing recovery mode. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.